This is a Photoshop tutorial for AI-assisted selection and generative fills. We will be using the Object Selection tool, the Marquee tool, and Edit Generative Fill. I'm using my fire hydrant image that I downloaded from unsplash.com. It is good to have an image that has a clear outlined object. You can see the Object Selection tool, which is chosen here in my tool selection on the left. It can be hidden beneath the Quick Selection tool or Magic Wand tool. Be sure to switch to the Object Selection tool. Before we move to our selection, as a reminder, we want to be working with our background image. When you open an image that has no layers built into it, as in a Photoshop file and is a simple JPEG, we want to switch this background layer to a layer. It is now a layer so that when I cut out this fire hydrant, it's going to leave a transparent background. As you see, as I hover on the fire hydrant itself, it creates a selection, and now it's selected with the traditional dancing ants. I can use Edit Cut or Command X, and now I can Command V or Edit Paste, and we now can see I have a second layer, Layer 1. It's good to know that layers must be selected so you know which one you're working on. I'm going to switch to the Move tool, switching with letter V, and I'm going to move the fire hydrant out of the way. I can rename layers if I wish, which if you have enough of them, it's quite smart to do so because it's easier to identify which layers you're working with. Next, I'm going to switch to the Marquee tool and make sure that the background layer 0 is highlighted. I'm just going to make a selection around the fire hydrant, and then I'm going to go to Edit Generative Fill. There's no need to put anything in the prompt. I'm just going to click Generate. Once the process is finished, you'll be given 3 options. You can pick whichever one you like. I think this middle one is satisfactory. I'm going to then move to the layers. You can see the generative layer. A generative fill is in its own layer, but I want to just merge it with the bottom. With the generative fill layer selected, I'm under the layers palette menu. I'm going to select Merge Down or Command E. Now I'm back to having simply the fire hydrant and layer 0. I'm now able to move on to our next tutorial for animation.